Maximus Analysis here for May 22nd, 2015. There basically was nothing being done, I guess, for the long weekend going into Memorial Day. But again, this is not the price action you kind of wanted to see going into after a day like yesterday. You see they sold off into the close, and that's something we didn't want to see. Again, they need to hold excuse me, this 2120-ish area, and you can see that basically from around here. They need to hold this area right here. They need to hold these previous highs of 2115. Then they're going to need to hold. It's just, I just hate this price action. So again, they break above this high, they can go higher, but again, the volume's low. It's really not giving a lot of punch. And again, they get to 2115, they get below to 2100. And again, I know I keep saying that 2195, 2095, 2080 needs to be respected, or they're going to really crush down really, really hard. Not out the woods yet. The NQ, they held that up with, I think, what was it? Expedia, EX. Damn, I forget the damn name of the thing. It's funny, you learn ticks. Tickers more than you do the names. Expedia, yeah, they held up the NASDAQ with that, and it really didn't look that good, quite honestly. Didn't really look that good at all. It's just drifting sideways, and we're not getting above these previous highs. IWM, again, this is the long weekend, but it gave a technical sell signal today, but again, you want to see some follow through more to the downside from here. You got the YM that you see is pretty much just rolling, but again, the YM was they kept it up with two names, and out of the whole Dow, the only ones that were up today significant were Goldman Sachs. Okay, Goldman Sachs is up like $3. Okay, and then you had Apple, and Apple to me is in a weaker position, and I'll tell you why in about a second. So we did the IWM. Let's look at the crude contract. And you can see that basically we're in no man's land right now. A lot of volume, a lot of fighting right here, but they definitely want to make sure that they hold this this low of 59. They want to hold at 59 and definitely hold at 57, or we're going to go back to 51 and below. So we'll see how they really fight that one out. But let me explain to you what's going on with Apple. So with Apple, you can see this. Okay, we went down 12 days here. To get back to this range, to this price point, it took us 31 days. Okay, we shot down from earnings. We shot down 6 days. It took 12 days to basically make up that. And this is just basic candle stuff, but it's not really that basic. And I hope that you kind of understand what's going on with the strength. They shot it down and it drifted all the way up and still has not broken highs. If it breaks this low, it might be a sell signal setting up, as weird as it sounds, with some exhaustion. Google did not look good at all. We'll definitely look at Google below 553 and 62. That definitely could be, and that's pretty much around the low. Yeah. So that one you need to be really, really cautious with as well. Netflix still looks good. Again, a break above these levels right here. Like if it really gapped up above the highs, you'd have to put your stop very, very tight, and you definitely would see it run to like that. You want to see a break above the 628.50 level. Okay, Tesla. We have Tesla. Tesla's looking a little weak. Again, I'm looking at it. If it breaks below 245, then I would say, okay, maybe we have something going on, a lower top over here. And I told you guys I have resistance on this name about 254, excuse me. So we'll see kind of how that one plays. I know that one would not be for everyone, quite honestly, but look how anemic this volume is. And again, people are going to say the traders are in the Hamptons. We'll see. But let's look at Amazon as well. And Amazon is pretty much just trading sideways. Gave a sell signal today, but again, I wanted to get out of this before I would even consider shorting this. And again, this would be more of setting up and seeing where it can break above this 440 area for a long. Or you're already in the long and your stop is below this 418 level. So we really need to see what's going on here. But again, the ES is still, I mean, I know people are saying new highs. I know that you have a lot of you got a lot of the pundits really saying a lot of stuff right here, right now about new highs, new highs. That's all they're saying. But look at that Dow 30. Look at the whole list of the 30. Goldman Sachs and Apple were the only ones above $1. Everything else was getting sold off. NASDAQ really didn't. Where's your real leadership going on right there? We're looking for some stuff. You had Facebook. Again, that one looks like it might be setting up to get hurt as well. But it would have to be a break below this 80, and you put your stops above this 82. Again, it's just been really, really sideways, quite honestly. So this is something that's probably people are selling against or getting premium and making money versus price action, because it hasn't really moved that much. But again, just be very, very, I know you're just like, wow, when do I ever get bullish? Well, it was very hard to get very, very bullish, okay, when you were in the chop. Now we've layered above the chop. I want to see how much oomph it has before I say, okay, now it's balls to the wall, because we have not broken a daily high. Now, if we break this high with some significance, this high of 2132, then we could say, all right, we're now off to the races. But again, just long weekend, they could sell it to us. They could sell it to us, you know, this now, and they pretty much churn stuff over the weekend. Opening of that Euro session early, it just could be really awful. So we'll see what happens on Tuesday. Enjoy your long weekend. Hopefully you're flat, and we'll see how it goes from there.